In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate subtitles on Descript. Translating video subtitles can be an essential task, whether you're trying to reach a broader audience or improve accessibility for non-native speakers. With Descript, the process is streamlined, efficient, and surprisingly simple. Let's guide you through each step so you can get your subtitles translated with ease. First, we'll start by importing your video. Begin by opening Descript on your device. If you don't have Descript installed yet, make sure to download and set it up before continuing. Create a new project within Descript, which gives you a clean slate to work from. Now, find the video file you wish to translate and drag and drop it directly into your new project. Descript will automatically work its magic to generate a transcript of your video. This transcript is the foundation upon which your translated subtitles will be built. Next, let's access the Translate feature. Within your Descript project, navigate to the area known as the Underlord panel. This is where many of Descript's advanced tools are located, including translation. In this panel, look for the option marked Translate and give it a click. Now comes the decision-making part. Selecting the language you'd like to translate your subtitles into. Descript offers numerous language options to choose from, so pick the one that suits your audience or project best. Once you've selected your desired language, Descript will step in to do the heavy lifting. It processes the translation and generates subtitles for you in the language you selected. Now, at this stage, you have a few choices regarding how you want to handle these newly translated subtitles. You can choose to have the subtitles burned directly into your video, making them a permanent part of it. Alternatively, if you prefer to have flexibility, you can export the subtitles as a separate file, such as an .srt file, which can then be used independently or uploaded elsewhere. The final but crucial step in this process is to review and edit your translated subtitles. Even with advanced tools, translation is not always perfect, so it's important to check the subtitles for accuracy. This involves reading through the translated text and ensuring it aligns well with your video's content and timing. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure the subtitles are correctly synchronized with the spoken word in the video. Taking the time now will ensure your audience has the best viewing experience later. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily translate subtitles using Descript, opening your content to a broader, more diverse audience. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to explore the other features Descript offers to further enhance your video projects. Happy translating!